Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the fourth chapter, linear equation in two variable. We have completed 4.1. We have completed exercise 4.1 and today we are going to discuss 4.2. Okay. In 4.2 we have to discuss about solution of a linear equation. Okay. So what does it mean, solution of a linear equation? देखिए, there are two types of linear equation, linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variable. Three variable is also there, but if we have to find the linear solution of a linear equation in one variable, it is very simple. Suppose it is an example of linear equation in one variable. If we are asked to find the solution of this equation, we will transpose 7 to RHS and simply we find the value of x, that is 1. So it means this equation has a unique solution. It is a linear equation in one variable. This equation has a unique solution. But if we talk about linear equation in two variable, x and y, okay, there are two variables. So is it easy to find the solution of linear equation in two variable? No. देखिए, if we put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, we get 6 ना. It means 0, 3. We write the values of x and y in the ordered pair. 0 is the value of x and 3 is the value of y. So 0, 3 is the solution of x plus 2y is equal to 6, because if we put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, we get the RHS. Okay. Again, by inspection, if we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, we also get the RHS. It means 2 is also a solution. We write the solution in ordered pair. Ordered pair means first the value of x and second the value of y. Now if you check 4, 1 is a solution. Yes, it is also a solution. Put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. 4 plus 2 ones are 2. 4 plus 2, 6. We get the RHS. So 4, 1 is the solution of the linear equation. It means we can conclude that a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Okay. If we talk about linear equation in one variable, it has a unique solution. But if we talk about linear equation in two variable, it has infinitely many solutions. Okay, now proceeding to our exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 is which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solution, infinitely many solution. तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? Infinitely many solution. Why? Because this is a linear equation in two variable, and I have told you now that linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. Okay? But it is saying y. So y, how will you show that? You will take some values yourself of x and y and will prove that it has infinitely many solution. Now question number second is, write 4 solution for each of the following equation. You have to write the 4 solution for each of the following equation. I have taken the question number 2 because it is somewhat different. Okay. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. Let us put x is equal to 0 in above equation. If we put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 9. Now, it means 0, 9. देखिए, अगर RHS 9 आ गया, x और y की ऐसी वैल्यू रखने पर RHS मिल गया, इसका मतलब वो वैल्यू क्या है? उसका सॉल्यूशन है. So 0, 9 is the solution of this equation. अब कुछ भी रख सकते हैं हम वैल्यू अपने मन से, ओके? लेकिन ये वैल्यू रखने से RHS मिलना चाहिए. अगर हमने यहाँ x की जगह 9/π रख दिया, तो 9/π रखेंगे आप, तो देखेंगे y की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? 0. इट मीन्स x की वैल्यू 9/π और y कितना मिला? 0. इसका मतलब 9/π, 0 इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, 9/π, 0 इस यहाँ रखने से RHS में क्या आएगा 9। नाउ पुट y इज इक्वल टू 2, y इज 2 रखेंगे तो x की वैल्यू 7/पाई आएगी. इट मीन्स 7/पाई, 2 इज ऑल्सो अ सॉल्यूशन. अब y इज इक्वल टू 9 रख लीजिए. y इज इक्वल टू 9 रखने पर क्या मिलेगा, x इज इक्वल टू 0. इट मीन्स 0,9 इज ऑल्सो अ सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो सिमिलरली you can find this 4 solution of each equation. X is equal to 4y का भी and इस equation का भी. Okay, if you have any problem, any doubt, you can text me on WhatsApp. Question number 3, check which of the following are solution of the equation and which not. अब आपको चेक करना है कि कौन सा, ये जो x और y की वैल्यू मैंने बताया ना, ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में ही वैल्यू दी रहती है. लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल में जो वैल्यूज दी रहती है वो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में दी रहती है. पहली वाली वैल्यू क्या होती है, x की, और दूसरी वाली y की. तो पहली वाली वैल्यू क्या है, x की, और दूसरी y की है. मैंने यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 लिया है. आई हैव टेकन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 √2, 4√2. अब हम क्या करेंगे, दिस यू नो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ y. ओके, so we need to put x is equal to √2 and y is equal to 4√2 in this equation. अब आप रखिए इस इक्वेशन में x is equal to √2 and √2 minus 2 into 4√2. You will get √2 minus 2 4 is 8√2. √2 minus 8√2, that is minus 7√2, which is not equal to RHS. It means RHS नहीं आया ना 4, so LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore we can conclude that √2, 4√2 is not a solution of the linear equation. Okay, let us take another value 4, 0. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. So put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. You will get 4, which is equal to the RHS. It means LHS is equal to RHS. So 4, 0 is the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. Now our next question is, find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the 2x plus 3y is equal to k. इसमें कह दिया है कि x is equal to 2 और y is equal to 1 क्या है, इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है. अब आप देख रहे हैं कि दिस इज since x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Okay, so it must satisfy the linear equation ना. अगर ये इसका सॉल्यूशन है तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. तो we will put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in this equation. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k, 4 plus 3 is equal to k, and k is equal to 7. Okay, so today we have completed the exercise 4.2. So write it, solve it on your fair notebook, and if you have any query you can text me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you class.